Viewers are keeping you ahead on the latest live updates. We're picking up on BJP National President JP Nadda's West Bengal visit. On your television screens, you can see the visuals we're picking up as far as the BJP President sharing lunch with some of those farmers there in Malda is concerned. On your television screens, all those visuals, because remember, before he leaves Malda, he's sharing his bhojan at the Krishok village with some of the farmers there, a part of BJP's outreach program, because remember, the last visit of JP Nadda also saw how he was interacting with several farmers in the state of West Bengal. Once again, we're seeing the same on your television screens. Piyush, my colleague, is also joining us with more details. Piyush, so much of this visit also, once again, focusing on the farmers in the state. We can see him sharing food with some of those farmers. What more can you tell us? We'll go across to Piyush in just a bit. He's, remember, tracking that story very, very closely for us. But important to highlight what the BJP president is all set to do today. He will be flagging off the first Parivartan Yatra of the party ahead of the assembly elections. A little before 3 p.m. is when he will reach Nabadweep, following which he will visit the Sri Sri Gauranga Janmasthan Ashram and he will be offering prayers there. And then around 3:30, we will see him flag off the Parivartan Yatra from Chatirmat ground in Nabadweep, following which he will leave for Kolkata close to 4:30. So an action-packed day really, with the BJP President JP Nadda starting his visit with Malda, where he was seen at the Central Institute of Subtropical Horticulture as well. And as we speak, he's sharing meal with some of the farmers there. That's also been one of the focus of the Bharatiya Janata Party through these campaigns that have been going on for the past few months. Piyush, my colleague, is also back with us. Piyush, what more can you tell us about what we're seeing on our television screens while JP Nadda can be seen, can be spotted sharing food with some of the farmers there?
We see JP Nadda along with many BJP leaders. They are having lunch here at Malda district of West Bengal, where we are seeing as to how thousands of farmers have also gathered here. Even they are having food with JP Nadda, BJP's national president. Remember that right now these pictures are coming in from Malda of West Bengal, and JP Nadda is having lunch with many BJP leaders are also present here. Farmers are also present here. We are showing you the live pictures also from Malda, where BJP leaders Dilip Ghosh, Debashri Chaudhary, and also BJP's national president JP Nadda, they are present here and they are right now having lunch with the farmers. Remember that it's a mega event planned by the Bharatiya Janata Party, and he is also tasting the local cuisine of West Bengal. Local cuisine of West Bengal. He, along with many BJP leaders, are present here, and JP Nadda, he along with other BJP leaders having lunch with the farmers. From here he will be going to Nadia, where he will be inaugurating the Rath Yatra of Bharatiya Janata Party. And remember that on 11th of this month, Home Minister Amit Shah, he will be also taking part in Rath Yatra. So after talking to farmers and telling them that how Mamata Banerjee government is stalling the projects of central government, stalling the funds of central government, and that has also created a lot of controversy here. Because we had seen as to how Mamata Banerjee government did not let the farmers to get the funds meant for the farmers, which was released by the central government. So after that, we have seen massive controversy taking place. BJP leader JP Nadda, he along with other BJP leaders are present here. BJP national president JP Nadda is eating lunch right now with the farmers. There are farmers from different parts of Malda. They have gathered here to eat lunch with BJP's national president JP Nadda, and right now we can clearly see scores of farmers taking part in this mega event. Before joining farmers for lunch, JP Nadda also spoke about as to how Mamata Banerjee is not letting the central government fund meant for farmers to reach to farmers. So massive political controversy is has now erupted over this statement of BJP President BJP President JP Nadda. We have also seen as to how there are some sort of announcements being made by Mamata Banerjee ahead of polls, state assembly polls in West Bengal, which has now also prompted BJP to react on by saying that BJP is doing this only and only from JP Nadda.
There you can see BJP President JP Nadda sharing meal with the farmers there. Also highlighted that the BJP in total has already interacted with 30,000 farmers ahead of the upcoming assembly polls, and they will cross the 40,000 mark soon. And time and again highlighting how the TMC is not letting the central schemes, the farm schemes, to reach to the farmers of West Bengal. For the moment, moving on to the latest we're picking up from around the national capital.
नड्डा जी, लेकिन किसानों को भ्रमित करने की कोशिश की जा रही है, उस पर आप क्या कहेंगे कांग्रेस के द्वारा?
सब दूध का दूध पानी का
अंतर्राष्ट्रीय साजिश रची जा रही है नड्डा जी, अगर इफ यू वुड लाइक टू से समथिंग ऑन दैट। कुछ टाइम बोल दिया था अभी, बोल रहे हैं हो गया बाद में बोलेंगे, आप बुलवा देंगे बाद में, रुको है हाँ चलिए अच्छा जी नमस्कार। विवेक जी
Sir, but specifically regarding Vizag steel plant.
Since we're trying to pick up a reaction, if at all JP Nadda speaks before he leaves Malda, where he was seen just a few minutes back sharing a meal with some of those farmers, and so much of this visit was also about reaching out to the farmers, making them aware of what the centre is really doing as far as their own policies towards farmers is concerned. Piyush, my colleague, has been tracking the latest from West Bengal, Malda, where JP Nadda is as
international celebrities के द्वारा
नहीं होने वाला, कुछ नहीं होने वाला.
So that's what also coming in from central minister, who is now saying that farmers will not be provoked about on these tweets which are now being done by international celebrities. With Piyush Mishra for Public TV.